Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got another freebie alert video for you, and I've got pick and mix samples. So as always, if you're new to feelunique pick and mix sample service, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what items I've chosen this month, then I'll add a timestamp down in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So the feelunique pick and mix sample service is a service where you can go on to the feelunique website and once a month you can choose up to 5 samples. Now the samples are free and you just pay £3.95 postage and packaging. Now once you've done it once, you will then get a code into your account for £3.95 off future orders. Sometimes that code can be used towards future samples, sometimes it doesn't, but for the last couple of months it's worked for me. So these are essentially completely free, It's not a subscription, so if you see some samples you want, you can get them. If not, you don't have to. The only requirement is that you need to sign up to the feelunique website, just email a name, and then once you've got an account, type in pick and mix sample service up in the bar at the top and that'll bring it up and you can choose up to 5 samples. Some months are better than others. This month has been amazing. I've picked some amazing products. We've got Clinique and NARS, which I'll show you in a minute, but some months are not so great. So on those months, I never let a month go amiss. I always get some perfumes because they're just handy, just little handy sample size perfumes to keep in my car, my bag, etc. So there's always something that I fancy month by month. Now there's no particular time or date when they release new samples. They just randomly appear on their website. So thanks to you lovely lot that send me messages, I am able to find them because you're on the lookout for them, you spot them, you message me, and then I tell everyone else. So if you're on my Facebook page or my Instagram page, which is the same name, Diaryofabeautygeek, then you will see posts come up with like latest samples or new samples just released and things like that. Not everyone can be glued to feelunique website day in, day out. Every single day waiting for good samples to arrive, because it might not happen, So I think that's it as far as information goes. I think if I've missed anything out, I'll pop down below in my description. So underneath this video, see show more, click that and that'll bring up description and all links and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what I chose. Can't hold them properly, but those are my samples. I'll go through them one by one. So this one is becoming a regular. I have now got a few. And I love it. I can't believe that they still got it on their website because it's NARS and it's one of, it's a Climax mascara. It's one of their like most iconic products and it's brilliant. I absolutely love it. And look, it's a decent size as well. It's still on there. It's still on there. So that's what it looks like there. I'll just show you the wand. Perfect wand for me. Something that's going to cling on my short straight lashes, but not too big so that I make a mess of my eyelids. So yeah, so that's my first sample. Next is by a brand I absolutely love and it's Rituals, and this is the Ritual of Deo. I think that's how you say it. And it's bringing peace and tranquility into your life. It's a night balm for the hands and got 10 mils there. I don't think I've tried this. I think I've actually tried the range, but not hand balm. I don't think I've ever received that. Whoa, that is just like a Vaseline. Oh wow. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is super thick and creamy. It's almost like a Vaseline type cream. That is gorgeous. I've got terrible dry cuticles in the winter. Well, during the year to be honest, but more so in the winter. And I put like solar oil and stuff on them, but yeah, still. But something I can put on my hands before I go to bed. Oh, it'd be nice, wouldn't it? If it really works, I'd be getting the full size version of that. So yeah, so that's the second sample I chose. Next is a perfume, and I keep getting this as well. It's Olympia Intense by Paco Rabanne, and we've got, I think it's like 1.5. I think it's 1.5. It's a little squirty one. I love this perfume. My husband bought the full-size version for me for Christmas last year and I love it. But the reason I keep getting these little ones is because I don't want to bring my perfume with me in my handbag or in my car or anything like that. I don't want to bring it if I go on trips away, weekends away with friends or anything. So I've been getting little sample ones because I can easily pop them in a bag and yeah, they last a good couple of days. So yeah, so handy. So I got another one. So there's that. And then lastly, Oh, you got these. They're Clinique skincare. Clinique skincare. They're both different. I'll show you the first one. This is Clinique Smart Clinical MD, and it's a multi-dimensional age transformer, and it's sculpt, resculpt. Still not sure what it is. Hold on. Multi-dimensional age transformer. No, I'll have a look online now. That's what it looks like there. And this is 15 mils. So a really, really nice sample size to try. I'm assuming it's on a face cream. I'm assuming. Oh, I love Clinique. I love this skincare. So when I saw these, I had to get them. Now they are sold out, unfortunately. They're not there. They only lasted for about a day or two, if that. But yeah, so what's the other one then? It's exactly the same, except for this is a Resculpt cream, and this is a Revolumize. And this is a Resculpt. That's the only difference in them. So I'm going to have to look more into it. Yeah, multi-dimensional age transformer. Hold on, let's have a quick look. So the Resculpt, it says here that it's a instant tightening gel cream with neuropeptides that visibly rejuvenate facial morphology. Ooh. Morphology, okay. If you're looking to visibly repump and resurface as well, try Clinique Smart. Go away, chat now. Try... Oh, touch screen is a nightmare. I'm on a different page. If you're looking to visibly replump and resurface as well, try Clinique Smart ND Duo Jar. They're both gel creams. One is for resculpting and one is for revolumize. So yeah, I need to look into it a little bit more, don't I? So there's those, and they're both 15 mils each. So those are all my samples. I'm really, really chuffed with this month's samples. They're really, really good. Items I'll definitely use, items I'm excited to use as well. So I'm not sure if I said at the beginning, but this is only available in the UK. Also, if they do have some amazing samples like the Clinique creams that sold out within a day or two, sometimes people have chosen them, but when they've had their order, they haven't had those samples in the bag, or they've had something else. So I'm assuming it's because they've had like an influx of people, you know, getting it. But it'd be nice if feelunique could send an email to people just to let them know and offer them the option then, isn't it? Instead of like not sending anything, because that's not very nice, especially when you're looking forward to it. So yeah, when it's really amazing samples that sell out super fast, that has happened a few times. So just to let you know. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this service? Do you get it every month, or do you just dip in now and again, or haven't you ever got it and you're excited to learn a little bit more? So all your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.